This is not a win. This is not a win. This is not what we want to be showing in our portfolio, okay? You done gave me these stale graphics that these graphics, they don't work anymore, y'all. Welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Erica and I'm your personal social media management coach and your biggest cheerleader and the owner of the Agency Edit, an 8-week accelerator program that helps you launch and scale your own legal and profitable social media management agency. Now today we're going to talk about portfolios a little bit more because in my days I've seen quite a few social media management portfolios, some amazing ones and some not so amazing ones. So today I'm going to show you a few things that y'all may be doing in your portfolio that's just holding you back. It's not making clients want to work with you, and we got to fix that expeditiously. So if you're ready, let's jump right on into it, shall we? All right, so we are going to be using the fictional social street agency that I always use because why not? This is not a real portfolio, so don't think anybody's about to get offended. This is all made up. There's a few real things in there, but. So the things that we're going to be covering today are going to be the About Me section, some graphic design, captions, results, and the services. Those are going to be the main things because everything else, whatever. So let's start with the About Me section. This one in particular, there's a few things. So let's read what it says really, really quickly. I'm Kyla from New York. I have a puppy named Coffee, just like my favorite drink. When I'm not working, I love hanging out at the dog park. I love to be your social media manager. Reach out if you have any questions. I hate this. I hate so much stuff about it. I can't even begin to tell you. I guess I can. So let's start with the details of this right here. Nobody cares about that. And a few of you I know have watched my video on how to create your portfolio. If you have not, make sure you check that out because I give a lot more detail on what to go into. But briefly, we don't want your life story here. Like, let's keep it straight to the point. Another thing that's interesting on here is this photo. Y'all, when this is your agency, you don't have to be dressed up like you're going to work. You can wear whatever it is you want to wear. You can wear jeans. You can wear a t-shirt if you want to. It's okay. You don't want to be looking dirty. Don't get me wrong, but you want to look nice, but it's your business and you don't have to be dressed like you're going to a 9-to-5. I'm telling you this because I've done this. This was my first photo shoot. I was dressed like I was going to a corporate job and I definitely was not. Okay. I was unemployed trying to make this business pop. So you don't have to do that. Don't worry about doing that. Graphic designs. Don't put graphics in your portfolio if they're not impressive. If you're using these pictures, I'm letting you know right now, this is not impressive, my friends. These are so generic. You want to put things on your portfolio that are relevant to the actual, what the platform is that you're talking about. So we're talking about Instagram in this case. Where are the reels? Where's the video content? You done gave me these stale graphics that these graphics, they don't work anymore, y'all. For most accounts, these type of graphics, they don't resonate. There's just, I wouldn't hire somebody giving me basic graphics like this. You can make graphics in Canva. That is not a problem. But now you can make graphics that are not only relevant, but actually look good and just don't feel like this. Like, I'm not hiring anybody who makes this. Where are the examples of captions and engagement? I need to see that you know how to write captions. I need to see like how would you do it? But I want to see it with the post as well. Like, I want to see it together. I want to see that you know how to get people engaging with content. How do you have fun with it? Are people leaving in comments? Like, what are they doing on the page? I want to see that. And I think that that's a missed opportunity for a lot of social media managers. They're just not showing their copywriting or their content writing skills and what they're able to do. Do not miss out on that opportunity because that is very important. If you watch my videos on social media services that you can offer, I mentioned in there like doing captions and copywriting and things like that. you want to put this inside of your portfolio. Examples of how you write, how you can take on the tone of a brand. Results. This can be the bread and butter for you. And this is why I tell you all to start your own accounts, because I already know some of y'all are going to be like, I don't have any results. If you would have started your Instagram account, you would have results by now. I'm just saying. And there's nothing wrong with using your own account to show what you're able to do, right? So the problem is these results. Let me tell you the problem with these results. Right here, we're looking at the reach. First of all, these screenshots don't line up, right? These don't line up. One is from night mode, one is from daytime mode. They're not level. Like on the left side, it says reach at the top, and then content reach. This one has followers and non-followers, and then the content. People are scanning this, right? They don't want to have to say like, wait, what? You want to make sure that your before and after results are mirror images. Like, so if we have the month of May here, and then we have the month of June, you want to make sure that they look exactly the same, y'all. Not only that, but if I look at May, the reach for reels in May was 25.5, right? In June, the reach for reels was 22.8. Why are you showcasing this? Why are you showing that the numbers went down? Okay. Not only that, they went down across the board. This is not a good screenshot. This is not a win. This is not a win. This is not what we want to be showing in our portfolio. Okay. So make sure that when you're showing your results, that you are getting the exact same screenshots month over month. Make sure that the results are impressive and that you're showing a win. If you feel like the only win you had was an increase in reels, but let's say in May, the reels was 25.5, and in June, you doubled it and it went to like 40, 48, something like that. Just show that part. It's okay. You want to highlight the good things that you've been able to do. And then right here are the results I got for a past client. We need context. What type of client was this? Were you running a campaign for them? Tell us a little bit more. This can serve as a small case study if you don't have a full case study, but tell somebody what the context of this was. Tell us, what did you do differently? How did you increase that number that month? And the last thing that we're going to look at is their services. So what I don't like is super vague services, okay? Or where it's missing information. The reason why somebody is getting your portfolio is because they want to see what it is you know how to do and what it is that you offer, how to contact you, etc. This right here, let's look at it. I have 3 packages for full social media management. They were all designed to take the stress out of managing your own account. Then we have services. I also offer a la carte services such as content creation and scheduling. I'm also open to other opportunities. Baby, I'm here for the social media management services, okay? And maybe some of them a la carte, but you're not even telling me what it is. You're just telling me like what it does, but I'm here. You have me in the door. Why are you letting me walk right back out? Because you didn't answer the questions that I had. When you have people in this space, give them what they want, give them what they need, give them all the package details. Again, watch my video on how to do a portfolio if you have not already. But services, I'm also open to other opportunities. I'm here for the services. I'm not here to look at to talk about anything else. I'm here because you got me in the door. Don't lose me. So this is a super quick video, right? But I don't want you all to miss out on opportunities because you're making these big mistakes with your portfolios and you don't have to. I know some of you all have told me that you used the portfolio that I gave you, you've made tweaks to it, you made it your own, you've sent it out and people have loved it. That's great. But I can't do it all for you, right? You have to get in there, you have to start getting those results. And again, if you don't have a client yet, you need to start working on your own account because this is extremely helpful. A lot of people want to see portfolios. They want to see what you've been able to do. So get started. I'm counting on you. All right? Peace.